Hey mama, I'm Leo Cherry. If we haven't met yet, nice to meet you. I'm a mom to two adorable girls and have lots of professional labels attached to me. Today, I'm sharing with you what is diastasis recti, why we get it, and how to heal it. Let's begin. What is diastasis recti? What? That was my reaction when I first heard this phrase. A few months after giving birth to my first baby, I was trying to find a solution to a pelvic floor dysfunction. And along the way, I found out that I have 4 fingers diastasis recti gap. Diastasis means separation. Recti refers to ab muscles called the rectus abdominis, also known as six-pack muscles. Diastasis recti, in simple words, is abdominal separation. Everyone can have diastasis recti. Men, especially those who love drinking beer. Women, kids. In fact, babies are born with diastasis recti, and as they grow, it naturally disappears. Now, the reasons that can cause diastasis recti are various. Overweight and obesity, rapid weight changes, incorrect exercising, pregnancy, heavy lifting, health problems, and even sometimes genetic. More details and information about everything that I'm sharing with you today can be found in my free Diastasis Recti ebook. Remember to grab it after you finish watching this video. Now, diastasis recti does happen naturally during pregnancy, and there is no way to avoid it. Every woman will have some level of diastasis recti around 3rd trimester of their pregnancy. Most women have no idea about this condition, simply because our OBs doesn't talk about this, unfortunately. In fact, most of them have no idea about this subject. Try to ask them and see how they slightly freak out. So, while being pregnant, growing the baby inside of our tummies creates pressure on our rectus abdominis muscle, which are 2 abdominal walls beginning from the bottom of your ribcage to the top of your pelvis. And they are connected by connective tissue called the linea alba. When the baby starts to grow, so to create more space for our baby to feel nice and cozy, the abdominal walls, rectus abdominis, begin to separate. The linea alba, which is the connective tissue right in the middle of your stomach that holds the walls together, becomes to stretch, get weak, and sometimes even tears. And that's what causes the separation. Now, a few months after giving birth, these walls should come back together. However, a very small percentage of women don't need to do nothing to get their core back together, as nothing happened. Most of the time, those muscles don't come back together as they should, and it leaves a gap which make the stomach to push out. In mom language, we call it the mommy tummy. Most women have to work pretty hard to close this gap and to heal their post-baby core. If you see that belly pooch that makes you still look pregnant, or just hanging there when you bend over, or coughing, that's probably diastasis recti. I'm going to show you in a bit how to check if you have it. Now, in my case, after both of my pregnancies, I had 4 fingers gap in between my rectus abdominis. First thing to do to heal our post-baby core, we must strengthen the connective tissue, the linea alba, so we will be able to close the abdominal gap. To make it happen, we need to reignite and re-strengthen this tissue by deep core exercises. We do that by training our transverse abdominis, which also gets stretched during pregnancy. The transfers abdominis muscles that are originates on your back, and it wraps around your sides and connects underneath into our rectus abdominis. And when we begin to reignite and re-strengthen these muscles, it will help us to bring the six packs closer and closer together and heal the linea alba. Now, a huge mistake most moms do after they get cleared by doctor to get back to exercise, usually about 6 weeks or so, they are hurrying up to do whatever it takes to get back to shape, to lose that baby weight, to get rid of mommy tummy. And unfortunately, most moms do the same mistake, is to begin with wrong exercises. Few months after trying every possible core exercise, sometimes even a few years, looking at themselves without seeing any results. In fact, by doing that, rather than heal, they make the opposite effect and create even worse ab separation. Now, to learn more about all the exercises to avoid to heal your diastasis recti, check out this video, link in the description down below. And also, as I've mentioned already, I've created a free, complete guide, everything you need to know about diastasis recti ebook, also available for you in the description box. Now, let me show you how to check if you have diastasis recti. We can have diastasis recti in 3 different places. We can have it at the bottom, middle, or at the top, or straight down in all 3 areas. Also, we want to check how wide and deep your ab separation is. And to do the test, let's get on the floor into a lying position. Always getting down safe from the side to protect your core. Lie on the ground in a relaxed position. Place your feet on the floor, knees bent. Lift your head and gently engage the core. Avoid crunching the belly. Keep the belly soft. We just want to get a slight tense through the core. Now, we're going to check all 3 areas where we can have abdominal separation. Let's begin at your belly button. Take 2 fingers, place them on your belly button, and then push them inside. Can you feel the gap? Now maybe try 3 fingers or 4 fingers. How many fingers can go inside that little hole in between your abs? Can you feel your abdominal walls? Next, how deep you can push your fingers. Half a finger or maybe a whole finger. Feel it, explore it. Take your time to learn your body. Press pause if you need a moment to explore. Next, we're going to check above your belly button, about 2 to 3 inches. Doesn't have to be perfect. See how many fingers can go inside there and how deep. Again, press the pause if you need a moment. And the last one is going to be below your belly button, about 1 inch to 2. How many fingers can go inside and how deep? Could you feel that? I was shocked when I did my first diastasis recti checkup. I found out that I have 4 fingers gap in the middle and 2 fingers at the bottom. I would love you to share your results with me and also other moms in the comments, so we can bring more awareness about diastasis recti and also to show other moms they're not alone on that journey. Next, most common question I get asked a lot from moms with diastasis recti is, so when I can begin transition into traditional core exercises? When your gap is about 1.5 fingers depth or less, you can slowly and progressively to begin at some exercises. Don't jump right away into hardcore exercises, as you can create diastasis recti again. And I'm telling you that from my personal experience, because I've done it a few times. I know. Remember, it took us about 9 months to grow our baby. So give your body time to recover and heal back. Patience is crucial in this healing journey. Don't try to rush your recovery. Allow your body to heal slowly, healthy, and mindfully. All right. I hope you found this video beneficial. And if so, hit that like. Subscribe to begin healing your diastasis recti with me on this channel, and help your mama friends to heal their core properly by sharing this video. Also remember to share your diastasis recti results in the comments and to grab your free diastasis recti guide ebook. Here is a diastasis recti exercises PELVEIC for you to begin healing your core from the comfort of your home. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know how can I help with any questions that you may have. I'll see you in the next video. From my heart to yours, take care, mama.